Hey everyone, Mr. Baz here. I just wanted to give you a short introduction to a math app that I made called MathJuice. It's designed to be just a little bit more fun way to get some of your math fact practice. I have taught math at the high school and middle school levels, and I've seen the difference in kids that know their basics versus those that don't. The ones that do can spend all their brain power thinking about the tougher stuff that they're asked to do versus the ones that don't have some of these facts memorized. They're spending all their brain power trying to figure out what 6 times 9 is or something along those lines. So I wanted to make that less of a problem as kids go further on, and also just wanted to make a fun way to get kids to do some of the practice. There's two modes in MathJuice. First one is grind, and what that's going to do is basically allow kids to do as many as they want at their own speed. It seems to be more popular, although I have had more fun with the speed version. But let's go over just some of these modes real quick. This is the one. Actually, I'll go through the modes later after I give you a full introduction to everything else that's going on. But this is the one that was kind of the original mode. This is just all your multiplication facts from 1 to 12. So kids will just be asked to do a random assortment of math questions. They can exit out. If they want to do another grind mode, they can. Or if they want to try a speed run, they can go here. Let's try a different mode. Let's show, this was just an intro for kids that kind of knew their addition and subtraction, but first and second graders maybe, that just needed a little bit of an easy introduction to multiplication. Notice how a lot of these are very simple. They don't have to do a lot of memorizing. It's more like, hey, what does that mean? What does 6 divided by 3 means? I always explain it as, hey, if you want to buy something that costs $3 and you have $6, how many of those can you buy? The answer is 2. Notice how these are all fairly basic numbers. I've tried to make another couple modes where they're a little bit tougher. So this would be a little bit this top right mode would be a little bit tougher. So we're dealing with some more difficult numbers, but not as tough as we won't go up to like 12 times 10 like we did in that first mode I showed you. Anyway, there's a bunch of different modes. I wanted to show you how to log in if you've been given a login. So you would do that with a 7-digit code that a teacher's given you. You can literally just click and hold that little spot where the C is, and it'll open up this, and you can log in with your lunch code here. So that's what I'm going to do here. And you'll see it says Brian B. That's my name up here. These are rewards I've earned, and you'll get these periodically throughout the game. These are things that we use in Math World. Kids that practice can earn rewards in Math World, stickers, candies, other types of stuff. Just again to make it a little more motivating for them, and it's been quite successful. I've seen numbers of kids do thousands of these. I mean, honestly, even I think 20,000 was the record. So there's no question that a kid that's done that much work is going to be better with these facts. And I've heard kids come back and say, "Hey, thanks for making that game. I'm much stronger in my math facts now, and it's helped me." So anyway, there's some other things. There's some stack collection modes and stuff like that. But I just wanted to give you the basics so you know how to kind of get in and start using this. If you have any questions at all, you can contact me, or any teacher who's forwarded this to you is probably versed in these things, or can certainly let me know if there's any questions that are coming to him or her. But I hope this does help some kids because it's important. It's one of those base skills that will kind of hang with the kid, the rest of their math career. And I certainly don't want them to have advanced math be any tougher than it needs to be. Thanks, guys.